Welcome to PNK Stocks YouTube channel. Today we'll see triangles and how much important triangles in our day-to-day trading, and triangles will work from 1 minute chart to monthly chart as well. So we'll see how triangles will form and how we can benefit out of trading with the triangles. Now before that we'll see how price moves. Price will move in such a way that higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher highs. See, this is higher high. This is low. When this high move to here, this is called higher high. And this low move to here, this is called higher low. Higher high, higher low. After moving some extent, price will consolidate. Price will consolidate and stay sometime there itself. And once consolidate is done, then price will start falling in this way. We'll call this as a lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Please bear with my drawings. If you see here, this is lower low, this is lower high, this is lower low, this is lower high, this is lower low, this is lower low, this is lower high. So if you understand this, with this concept triangles will form. So better understand higher highs, higher lows, higher highs, higher lows, higher high, higher lows, then consolidation, then lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs, lower lows, lower highs. This is the structure of stock market on forming triangles. We'll see now how triangles will form and what are the triangles that we have. So we read in our education that triangle will form in this way, right? Three equal ways are, triangles form 90 degrees. This thing, a triangle will form in this way. Similarly, in stock market also, price will form in a triangle shapes, and we'll have a clue that some set of triangles forms, then how price will move from there. So we have three kind of triangles in our stock market that we generally refer: ascending triangle, descending triangle, and symmetric triangle. Let us see how the ascending triangle forms. This is called ascending triangle. What will happen? Price moves from here to here, then come down. It won't go below that. Moves up, come down, moves up, come down. What will happen here? Now, can you see this? What is forming here? We just discussed the price movements. Lower high, higher low, higher low. So if this formation happens, then what will happen? Price will break out this triangle, and price will retest the triangle, this thing. Once retest is done, then price will move ahead. This is called ascending triangle. In ascending triangle, breakout will happen on the top side. Price will move up. So we need to buy on equities. Ascending triangle, only buy. Hope you understand what is ascending triangle. This retesting will happen sometimes. Sometimes retesting may not happen and stock price will move forward if heavy buying pressure happens. So we'll see examples, after discussing all the three triangle sets. So hope you understand the ascending triangle concept. Similarly, as we discussed ascending triangle, let us discuss on descending triangle. Line, no, this is not the correct one. So from top, price will start moving and coming here and moves up. Again taking support on the trend line, come down, it won't break, it will move up. Again it will come down, it will go up. Again it will come out. Have you observed here? Lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high, lower low, lower high. Once it touches 3 times or more, then price will breaks this triangle and we'll see downside momentum. Heavy selling pressure, and sometimes in the ascending triangle there will be retest will happen. For descending triangle, retest will happen only 50 times. This is retest and it will touch this line and again price will fall heavily. There will be a lot of selling pressure. When you compare with buying pressure and selling pressure, buying will happen slowly and price will move bit slowly compared to the selling pressure. Hope you understand. This is called descending triangle. We discussed ascending triangle. We discussed descending triangle. I'll focus more on descending triangle because if there is any breakout, we'll be getting our targets on the same day if you are going for the positional or swing trade. So these triangles we can work on intraday, swing trade, few weeks, positional for few months, or even for our investing strategies. Let us see the other triangle. As we discussed two triangles, ascending triangle and descending triangle, the one that what we have left out is the symmetric triangle. This triangle, we don't know whether it will go up price or go down. It will form and it will consolidate inside the triangle. Price will start moving upward. It will take support here. It will come down. It will take support at the bottom, go up, taken the support. So here there is a chance of breaking triangle either side. So we should be bit alert. So for this, what we need to do? We need to wait and see where this triangle price will break on this triangle part. So if it breaks on the above, we need to go for buy. If that breaks on the bottom, we need to go for the sell. So to get confirmation in this, at least we need to wait to close the candle. Second candle at least should be formed and closed on the top of the breakout candle. Better take trade here because sometimes what will happen, we feel that it's already breaking the triangle and it will get reversed. So wait and form the second candle, whatever the time frame that we are following. Once it broken the first candle, which already broken the triangle, then take the entry on the second candle top. Similarly, when it breaks the break on downside, so don't go entry here. We need to get entry on the second candle low, and this will be having higher impact. In triangles, take the maximum height from here to here. Whatever the height that we have, it from the price started moving in this, we may be getting target also similar to that portion, almost equal to this length. Will be seeing the profit on either sides. So whenever we get an entry, immediately place the sell order and also target order based on this. Placing the sell order could be, at least you need to place somewhere here the lower high, and target based on this height, place somewhere. If it breaks below, then this could be your SL, and based on this length you calculate and keep the target here. My suggestion, don't wait for complete targets. Make this 90% as your target instead of capturing complete thing. Sometimes we'll be getting more, but most of the times price will move somewhere here and it will get reversed, because these triangles, breakouts and all, majority of the population will work on this. So what we need to do, we need to be selective few among the total population that are trading. So don't wait for the complete target. Wait at least that set target met at 90%, then better exiting here. The next part, we'll see the examples how these triangles forms on the price action, and we'll take an example and we'll see how this will work. Now let us see the triangles that what we learn in the live chart. We should tune our eyes to catch the triangles, otherwise it's tough to catch. Now there is a triangle formed here. There are multiple triangles, but let us see now what we learned. We learned first ascending triangle. So let us see the ascending triangle thing. Did you get a idea now? Have you tuned your eyes? This is called ascending triangle. Price from here come down, going up, taken support, again test our trend line, gone up, finally breaks the triangle. So where we need to take entry? On top of this candle. Have you checked here? There is a candle try to break this triangle, but finally it is closed inside. So if you find any wicks on top of the ascending triangle top line, then you should not enter. Now here again one candle started breaking, but again it come back. So whenever the breaking candle, it should be very big volume should come in this. So wick should be less than the body of the candle. Now as we discussed, the height, we need to target this as the profit till here. So if you are working on equity, then what you need to do, if you brought 1000 shares here, exit half of the quantity here, and when you get additional 25 to 50%, exit somewhere here another 50%. And the most important thing, the SL we might have placed somewhere here, and this SL should come to the break even somewhere here, at least at the cost. When you get the first target, then you can still bring your SL to next low. Similarly, you need to trial your stop loss to get the maximum benefit. So hope you understand the ascending triangle. I'll show it I'll show it again. Market fallen here and price want to go up. From here it went here, again come down, went here. It's showing higher highs, lower highs, lower high, higher high. This should be bit high. Tried breaking this, didn't get volume buying pressure, came back. And to make this triangle, you need to draw the line here because it's taking support here all the time. When this got a breakout, we'll be entering here. From there price moved up, and every lower highs we can move our SL, and we can trial till somewhere here. And this I don't think it will met our SL. Still you can move further, and up to here you can trial, and your SL might have hit somewhere here. So this is ascending triangle. Now let us see the descending triangle. We need to tune our eyes to catch. I already told we are working on the descending triangle, so now we are in search of descending triangle, and you can make easy finding out. Can you see this? This is the descending triangle. From top, price moved down, didn't broken, moved up, tried several times to break this, and respected our trend lines. And when finally price break in this, take the entry somewhere here, and this is the target that what we aim for. From here we can almost met the target, and our SL should be initial SL. Then you can bring back your SL here, and when price move down, at least get into the cost to cost. As I said, the line that what we drawn from here to here, price C, it's moved almost couple of points, and it reversed to hit our trailing stop loss. So what we discussed, we need to exit at least 90%. So we'll be exiting somewhere here. If you see risk to reward, almost we got 1:2. Hope you understand the descending triangle concept. We'll draw once again. We should see that at least two lines should touch this. You can draw even like this as we are working on the descending triangle. So this line is most important. How many times the support it has taken and moved up? It's trying to break this line several times. Finally, we got the heavy selling pressure and price got breakdown and descending triangle worked here and price moved back. Now what will happen several times? We'll be getting second entry. So for beginners, don't go for second entry. Work on only first entries because finding out the triangles itself a little challenge. What you need to do? You need to take all 50 nifty 50 stocks, put one stock, say example, take a Maruti, draw as many as triangles in that, find out ascending triangle, find out descending triangle, find out symmetrical triangles, all these you find out. If you keep on doing that, first week, second week will be even better than first week, second month will be even better than first month. So now after a month, if you go back and see the Maruti chart that what you drawn on the triangles, you will find that array you should have fine-tuned a bit. So now whatever we learn, we should implement on paper. On live trading, we should wait and watch how the things are happening. So paper trading is most important. If you are working on equities, you can, whenever you find trades on hourly or daily or weekly or monthly, on the entry price you can put and you can virtually buy the shares in money control and you can watch them how your identification versus reality working. So if you have hands on that kind of an experience, then after a year, once you get hands on to identify exactly these triangles, it's easy for you to make money. Otherwise, it's very challenging in the market to lose the capital. So protecting capital also equally important. Hope now you understand ascending triangle and descending triangle. Let us see whether we can find out any symmetric triangles. Which one will take? We'll take this one. So what we learned in the symmetric triangle? Symmetric triangle will form and price will break anywhere, either upside or downside. Let us see now. Price from here moved up, from here moved down, from here moved up, trying to break but didn't happen. Finally, price breaks this thing and moved up. So as we plan to take the height of the triangle, the maximum height from the breakpoint entry to the height, that whatever we drawn to this level is given exact entry for us and a target as well. So my suggestion, exit at 90% than waiting at 100%. Hope you understand the symmetric triangle, how it forms and how we need to go and exit our trades. Let us draw once again to get familiar with that. At least you need to join two lines or more. Similarly at the bottom. See, when you're drawing, price will be up to somewhere here. So you don't have a chart of this side. As we are working on back testing, chart will be up to here when you see this. In the real market on day to day when trading is going on, we need to draw and we need to wait. Price will come here, and when this breakout happens, we'll be taking entry here. See here, when this breakout happened, price didn't come for the retest. Obviously, price came up to here for the retest. But these are all traps, big players will do this kind of a trap. What you need to do, this is the support area when price broken, so you may take entry when this candle breaks instead of taking somewhere here. We are not sure whether price will go down or up. So this symmetric triangle identification is most important. When you work on ascending triangle, that setup might fail because it may break down also. Out of 10 times, 7 to 8 times it will break on top side, ascending triangle for buy side. Descending triangle, it should break on the bottom and we should do the short selling, but sometimes it will go up. But symmetric triangle, you may be getting entry either sides, on the top side or a bottom side. So it's easy to identify the symmetric triangle. Hope you understand the triangles that what we discussed. Now your task, at least work on several charts and one chart at a time, and go back for at least 2 years. Say now 2021, go to that chart up to that level. From there, start seeing the triangles. Now see, let us see, this is the 2000 thing. Now you should make this part as a 2001 January. Now from here, now you saw something here. If you find, you need to mark high low. Then you saw some triangle thing is happening. Make some line. See, all things are may work, may not work. What happened? This triangle, this is some symmetric triangle. It got entry here. Go back and see whether it met or not. This already we saw, so this is the target part. Place it here and see. So you need to work in that way so that you'll be mastering the triangle breakouts. So all the best, good luck. Please do watch this video several times so that you'll be getting the stuff. What are the triangles? What kind of a triangles? If ascending triangle, what we need to do? Only buy. In descending triangle, what we need to do? Only sell. In symmetric triangle, what we need to do? We have an entry there, either upside or downside. So out of the three triangles, symmetric triangle is, you'll be getting entry immediately. For ascending triangle, there is a chance of not breaking on the top side today or tomorrow. It may take several days. But descending triangle, similarly, it may not break the bottom. It will take several days and sometimes it will get failed. But symmetric triangle, price should go somewhere, either top or bottom. It can't stay in the triangle itself. So symmetric triangle will get more entries, and even results will be better than the other two. So please do like and subscribe my video. A lot of people are watching my video, but unfortunately they're forgetting at the end. So do subscribe and like my videos. Can you pause this video, subscribe my channel, like this video,